This is Paul with jonesingfortools, live from the JFT studio. Today, we are reviewing the new Master 16-inch Rivet nut tool. Let's take a look. Nice case. All right, let's open it up. Look at this. 13 different sizes of mandrels, both SAE and metric. Here's the tool. Pretty nice. Nice handles. All right, let's take a look. Here is one of the Rivnuts. We have a package here that came with the kit, that one package per size, right? Pretty cool. All right, everybody, this is how you put the Rivnut onto the Rivnut gun. With the ring, you screw it down on there, screw it down flush, back it off 2 to 3 turns, or 2 turns. All right, you have it open up all the way, you stick it in the hole, you squeeze it together, open it back up, back it off. Here it comes. All right, now it's in place. Now we're going to change out the mandrel to a different size, a bigger one. You put down the sleeve. You take this top nut off. Set it in here. Turn this counterclockwise with the sleeve down. Take the new one. You put the short end in. Screw it in. Now you're going clockwise while holding the sleeve down. Then you take the nut, put it on top, screw it in. Oh, I gotta hold the sleeve down. All right, then you take your Rivnut, same way, stick it in, screw it down. All right, now you close it. Here we go. And as you can see, it swelled up. To take it off, we're just gonna spin it off, just to show you. There it is.